Oh my gosh, these reels can be so heavy. I don't even know what these are called. White in the top, ready?
Oh my god.
Yeah! So today's really exciting. We've got someone coming in to build their very own Glowie here at Glowjob, and it's going to be this beautiful koi fish. I've proofed it up and it's all ready to go, and oh, I think she might be here now.
Oh, hey! Hi, how are you?
Nice to see you!
Nice to meet you. Oh my gosh.
Come in, come in.
Thank you.
Welcome to Glowjob.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
So tell me, like, what inspired the koi fish?
I really just some art around Wellington. I saw a couple of restaurants that actually had the koi fish as like a motif for the restaurant, and I thought it looked really beautiful. Yeah, I wanted to give it a go.
Yeah, cool. Oh, it's going to be awesome. Oh my god, should we get into it?
Yeah.
Okay. So Erin is currently making the cables, and then we're going to be putting the koi fish onto this great big piece of acrylic that we've had pre-cut with our laser cutting guys down the road.
Yeah, well, Bridie got in touch with me, I'd say about a month to a month and a half ago about how it'd be really cool to do a project, and we've been emailing back and forth. I did a couple drawings, a couple doodles for her, and we decided on the koi fish.
This is where we keep all our neon, and each box has its colour on there, so we need hot pink, orange and red. Here's hot pink. Pink. I think this is my favourite neon colour. It's sort of like a Barbie house pink. So we're gonna use this to do some cutting, and it's pretty cool because it looks like a fish or like a parrot, or as someone pointed out the other day, oh gosh, it looks like a seagull. Like there's the beak, but actually guys, it's a pipe cutter for PVC pipes and stuff, which we use to cut our LED neon. We are now just gluing down the first pieces with a bit of glue. Alright, I'm going to plug this power supply in. Alright, red in the bottom, white in the top, ready?
Oh my god.
Yeah! See, that's cool.
Perfect. It's been honestly amazing. I had no idea at all how to make a neon sign or anything like that, so the whole process behind it, the thinking, the actual practical work was really, really interesting because I had never done anything like it.
Oh my god, Erin, that's a wrap.
That's a wrap! Look at it, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy.
After every Glowie I make, Erin, I always have a glass of wine to celebrate. Would you like a glass of wine?
Yes, of course.
Alright,
glass of wine.
Glowie fridge. This is one of my favourite things at Glowjob, is this cute fridge. There we go.
Look at the cute cup.
Cheers!
Cheers.